Behind every diagnosis, there is a laboratory, a place where science, precision, and responsibility quietly work together to protect lives. It begins with a single moment of care. From the collection desk to the high-speed transit of the chute, every sample carries a story that we are sworn to protect. The journey is built on trust. From the hands of our porters to the speed of the chute, every sample is a priority in motion. Arrival is just the start. At accession, digital tracking meets meticulous manual oversight. In our stores, every reagent is accounted for, logged, registered, and ready to serve. We monitor our cold chain to ensure peak performance 24/7. Precision requires preparation. From the cold chain to the kit in use log, we prime the engines of diagnosis. This is the hands-on heart of the lab, where maintenance ensures no machine ever fails a patient. Safety is our silent partner. While housekeeping sanitizes our sanctuary, we remain ready for the unexpected. From spill protocols to rapid response, our environment is as controlled as our results. We don't just provide answers, we prove them. Through external quality control and global EQA programs, we benchmark our excellence against the highest world standards. We don't process until we are certain. Every run is preceded by an expert review of our LJ charts. Quality is our green light. Data alone is not a diagnosis. It takes the human mind to troubleshoot the why and the clinical voice to consult with the front line, bridging the gap between the lab and the bedside. Next, the samples are prepared. Centrifugation separates the different components of blood, allowing us to analyze key indicators of health. Advanced laboratory analyzers perform hundreds of tests every hour. These tests measure important markers such as blood sugar, electrolytes, enzymes, and many more. Accuracy is critical. Every result is carefully reviewed and verified by trained laboratory professionals. Once verified, the results are released to doctors, helping them diagnose, treat, and monitor patients. In the critical window, every second counts. We document, we alert, and we constantly learn. Behind every test result is a dedicated team of laboratory professionals working with science, precision, and responsibility. Excellence is a habit. We analyze our indicators, meet to improve our stats, and constantly sharpen our skills through rigorous training. Our monthly training isn't just a requirement, it's our promise to stay at the cutting edge. Our integrity is written in ink and earned through audit. With every register filled and every NABL standard met, we build a fortress of trust around every printed report. The day ends as it began, with responsibility. From sterilized discard to the organized storage of today's legacy, the cycle of the lab never truly stops. They may never meet us, but their lives depend on what we do. In every drop of blood, there is a diagnosis waiting to be found. In every result, there is a decision, a treatment, a life changed. We are the hidden backbone of healthcare. We are the scientists, the guardians, the scouts. We don't just run tests. Every life saved begins in the lab. This is a day at the lab. This is our life's work.